Ever heard of bioacoustics? Bioacoustics is the science of studying sound in animals, including humans. Today, AI is being used to analyze cough sounds for signs of illnesses like tuberculosis. Indian healthcare startup Salcit Technologies has partnered with Google to use its AI model for early detection of TB through cough analysis. Google's AI model, here Health Acoustic Representations, is trained on 300 million human sounds, such as coughs and sneezes. Salcit also has its own AI model called Swaasa and will use Google's here to help research and enhance the product for early detection of TB. Soon, you'll be able to get tested at home using your phone at an affordable price, instead of visiting a diagnostic center. Subscribe to Quick Tech for AI updates and more.